Well, Hurricane Ian has hit Cuba as a Category 3 hurricane. The National Hurricane Center warns of deadly storm surges, flash floods, as well as mudslides. 40,000 people have been evacuated from low-lying coastal areas in the region, and it is uncertain how Cuba will recover from the hurricane, as the country already faces an economic crisis and regular power outages. The same storm is headed for the U.S. coastline, and Floridians are preparing for its impacts.
Indiana Task Force 1 is responding to help similar to their efforts after major flooding in Kentucky just earlier this year. The task force is traveling to central Alabama today, setting up shop near Montgomery ahead of the storm. 48 people are making the trip south. 2 canine helpers are also along for the ride. Task force leaders say the early travel day makes response times much shorter.
Basically, when we get a hurricane this size coming to land wherever it is, FEMA takes the approach of trying to pre-stage resources close to the area of impact so that we wouldn't have to leave from here and drive. So we're probably going to be 10, 11 hours of driving today to get to a hotel, and then we'll be in place for when it does hit.
Now, after the storm hits, crews will be redirected to the areas they're most needed in as well. Several other Hoosier agencies also stepping in to help during this. Duke Energy is sending more than 100 employees and more than 280 Indiana contractors to help. The American Red Cross is also heading to Florida and Puerto Rico to help with the effects of Hurricane Fiona. Now, if you are looking to help with relief efforts, make sure you reach out to an organization that you trust.